So a lot of people say, Davide, that you should put oil in your pasta water. Do you recommend that?
We're at the Pasta Lab in West Hartford. We're going to check out, see what's going on here. Italian Pasta Lab.
This is Davide. I work here. This is in more Italian Pasta Lab. We are Italian. We have imported our stuff from Italy. Here we make our pasta with our machinery. We use semolina flour from Italy. It's the healthiest pasta you can find. It's not with the pasta, no GMO, and it's very good.
Okay.
How can you cook the pasta? Cook the pasta is very simple. You can take the pasta, you keep a refrigerator, salted boiled water, and the pasta cooks in very quickly. Some pasta cooks in 30 seconds, 1 minute. Some ravioli 2-3 minutes, or when they float. It's a very quickly meal. You can pair with a sauce. We have different kind of sauce. You put in the warm pan, and in a few minutes you can have a completely meal as at the restaurant.
Perfect. So a lot of people say, Davide, that you should put oil in your pasta water. Do you recommend that?
Maybe some people prefer to put the olive oil. Maybe I think the reason is for the pasta maybe cooks in quickly.
Yes.
But in Italy we never put the oil in the boiled water, just salt and that's it.
That's what I want to hear. That's really important. So no oil or anything else. A little bit of salt in your pasta water.
Exactly.
And because this is all very fresh pasta coming out of a machine, it cooks up very, very quickly, a minute or two.
It's different with the dry pasta for that reason. Dry pasta maybe it needs more minutes to cook it, but for fresh pasta is a quickly meal.
Okay, that's great. This is the Pasta Lab in West Hartford. And how can people find this? What's the address? Is there a website?
We are in our website with more Italian pasta lab, and we sell our pasta in the other restaurants in the area. And if you don't want to cook our pasta at home, you can find our product at the restaurants in the area, and you have a different way to have our pasta. If you don't want to cook, you can go to the restaurant, you can find that.
So you can cook it yourself or have somebody else cook it, which is great.
Yes.
And you have these pasta machines. They're made in Italy, and they produce all your pasta right here. So you make it right here in the pasta line.
All kind of pasta we produce here with our machinery. We don't need a big company to make this. 3 machinery is enough to make different shape, short pasta, long pasta. We can cut it fresh, that shape, and we produce our filling, and we can have different kind of filling ravioli almost every day.
Okay. Oh, so you make ravioli here as well,
yes,
as well as fresh pasta.
Yes.
That's great. Okay. Davide, what is your favorite kind of pasta that you like to eat?
My favorite kind, I love any kind of pasta. I'm Italian, and in Italy usually we eat pasta almost every day. But my favorite pasta is the ravioli, because you can make it with different filling, and my favorite is a cacio e pepe ravioli. It's the classic cheese ravioli with sometimes it's not need heavy sauce. Maybe some olive oil and parmigiano on the top. It's very easy, and you can have a good meal.
Davide, thank you so much for taking time. I appreciate it.
For stopping by in our store, and thank you very much.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci.